A $300 buried pipe holds your home at 55 degrees Fahrenheit in July. No air conditioning, no electricity bill, no compressor. Your government published the exact blueprint in 1947, then quietly erased it from every building guide after 1960. And once you understand what 4 feet of dirt actually does to the air above your head, you will never hire a cooling contractor again. I'm Gick. And this is the cooling system your backyard has been hiding from you for 80 years. Here's the part nobody on YouTube explains correctly. 4 feet below the surface of any yard in America, the soil holds a nearly constant 55 degrees Fahrenheit. It does this in July when the surface hits 105 degrees Fahrenheit. It's in January when the surface drops to -20. But here's the more interesting part. Soil isn't just a battery, it's a time machine. A summer heat wave on the surface takes months to travel down to 4 feet. By the time July's heat actually reaches your pipe, it's already October and the surface has cooled back off. The cool air blowing into your living room in August is quite literally February's cold, stored underground and delivered exactly when you need it. Your backyard has been running a 6-month delay on the weather above it your entire life. You just never had a pipe down there to use it. A research site in Ontario ran 9 buried earth tubes continuously through 8 summers. Outside air entered at 90 degrees Fahrenheit. It exited the pipe at 59 degrees Fahrenheit, 31 degrees cooler. Walk into an old Amish farmhouse in Holmes County, Ohio on a 95-degree August afternoon. The air inside is cool, still, and quiet. No humming machine anywhere in the walls. The air traveled 40 feet through a clay pipe buried 5 feet under the garden. It arrived in the kitchen 20 degrees cooler than outside. The Amish didn't preserve this out of nostalgia. They preserved it because it works, it's free to operate, and it answers to no utility company in any season. Americans spend $29 billion every year on residential air conditioning, $740 per household every summer for a problem the dirt under your lawn already solved for free. In March 2020, the American Gas Association held an internal planning meeting. Their own minutes named passive thermal alternatives as an existential threat to natural gas use in homes. Their stated response wasn't to compete, it was to bury. Since 2020, industry-aligned groups have pushed preemption bills through more than 25 state legislatures, blocking cities from even permitting passive cooling systems. No approval pathway means no contractor will touch it. No contractor touches it means you never hear about it. That's how you erase a free technology without banning it outright. A $300 buried pipe threatens every revenue line on a $200 billion industry's invoice, which is exactly why your contractor's manual hasn't mentioned it since Eisenhower was in office. Here's what this actually costs to build, and I want you to see how simple the parts list is. 40 feet of 8-inch smooth-bore PVC, $60 to $90, a screened intake cap, $12, an inline duct fan, $40 to $70, uses the same electricity as a single light bulb, a drain trap at the low end, $8, pipe couplings and primer, under $15. Total parts, under $250. For labor, rent a walk-behind trencher for $120 for half a day. It cuts a 40-foot trench 4 feet deep in roughly 2 hours. Drop the pipe in, slope it towards the outdoor intake, 1-inch drop every 10 feet, connect the indoor end to your cold air return duct, install the inline fan, cap the outdoor end, backfill. Start to finish, 1 weekend. 1 person, no trade background needed. The slope is the only critical detail. It drains any condensation before it can pool. No pooled water means no mold, ever. The European Passive House Institute confirmed this after a 5-year continuous study across multiple climates. The science is settled. $300 in parts, 1 weekend of work, 0 monthly bills for the life of the house. No contractor, no permit, no moving parts except a small fan that costs $50 to replace every 15 years. And the system actually gets better with time, not worse like every mechanical cooler you've ever owned. That's the entire system, start to finish. If a $300 buried pipe handles your whole house, wait until you see what a $150 vortex tube does to a single room in 30 seconds flat. That video is already on this channel. The link is right here. I'm Gick. Build it, test it, stop paying for what the ground already gives you for free.